You're on the air.
Oh, hello, mate. That's me. Oh, it's okay. How are you? I want to call you up today, man. Well, you know, it's bad. I just wanted to tell you. Oh, it's on. Yeah, wow.
What?
He says he was saying hello and he was watching the show and he was wondering what the Ojibwe word of the day was.
That is amazing.
What?
That you can translate Keith Richards. Ladies and gentlemen, Keith Richards.
Oh, yeah. That's Keith Richards. I don't know. Oh, wait, mate.
He goes, well, what is it, mate?
Oh, the Ojibwe?
Yeah.
Oh, tonight is Ojibwe word of the day. Happy birthday to you. No, it's not. Here it is. Giga Menawanagozi Dibishka.
Oh, yeah, we don't want to know it. You've been gone, isn't it? Oh, yeah, I really do you, mate. Let me tell you something. I was going to go. I know.
He said, let me tell you something. I quit counting birthdays. He doesn't even know how old he is.
You don't know how old you are?
No, hey, that's I don't remember a lot.
He says he doesn't remember that, but that's the least of it. There's a lot he doesn't remember because of all the drugs.
Oh, I suppose, huh? Yeah. But hey, it doesn't look like you got any plastic surgery.
Oh, man, I still come from a time when you can be able to have a day. Well, now you got to be ready. Whoa. Yeah, what a shame he asked me.
He said, no, he would never get plastic surgery. And then he comes from a time where people became successful because of talent. But now it's just a bunch of pretty boys. You gotta have a pretty face. And he says it's a bloody shame.
I'm also impressed you can remember everything he says.
You know?
Yeah. So are you not a fan of modern music?
Oh, yeah, do you want to call it that?
He says if you don't want to call it that.
What do you listen to?
Well, I want to get out of that. I listen to that.
He says when he kicks back and wants to listen, he listens to Kiss records.
Really?
I never said that.
Yeah, he says his favorite album is the Paul Stanley album.
I never said that. Max, I have one of the model crap.
What did he really say?
He said no. He said when he wants to listen to music, he listens to early Stones albums. And then he just got mad at me for making up that stuff about Kiss.
You don't listen to Kiss?
Man, I wouldn't listen to that track. What's one about gone?
He says he wouldn't listen to that tripe if you paid him. And believe me, people have tried to pay him.
Okay. So, you holding up pretty well these days?
That's fine, man. You know, you can't have it. Right?
He says you can't kill the devil, right?
Oh, brother. All right, man. Well, listen, I'm going to teach you another phrase, okay?
Yeah, man. What's one phrase?
He says, yeah, go ahead, mate. What's another phrase?
This is how we say, I will see you again. Gigawaba men, minawa.
Gigawaba men, minawa, mate. I tell you,
he says it's a beautiful language we speak, and he's learning more every day.
That's right, mate.
Well, thank you, Keith. Gigawaba men, minawa.
Gigawaba men, minawa. Keep it up, keep rocking.
He says, Gigawaba man, meanwhile, keep it up and keep rocking.
Yeah, you too, buddy. Thanks for calling in.
All right, mate.
Keith Richards.
He's so cool.
I know, huh? Wow. La-dee-da. Hey, dude, what year does someone become an elf?
What you got there in your lip? You don't want that. That's just a string. That's just a bit of string, isn't it? There's more to life than that. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I know. You know, they used to call this a Eskimo kiss. Eskimo kiss. You just rub noses. I don't know. Do you want to learn some Ojibwe? Yeah, I could teach you some Ojibwe. No, I'd be delighted. I've never done this before. But if I'm gonna, talk to the camera, I'm not gonna just crank. I look like an idiot if I just crank my head like this.
Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. Speak Ojibwe. Demon Wayne Dum G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO!
Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO,
The
podcast.
podcast.
About Ojibwe language
And culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show.
But some people would might, who cares? I don't care. I just don't care. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. Whoa. Where you going? Bonjour. Hello. Bonjour ni Anishinaabe dog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. My Ingan indigenous guys. Wolf is my name. But you can call me Wolfie. Actually, my name is Wolfgang. Not because I'm a wolf, because I was named after Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Yeah, Mozart himself. I don't know, maybe you kids don't know who Mozart is. Mozart was a songwriter and a piano player. And if you ever heard the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and also it's the same melody for the ABC song. Na 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 na, that little ditty. Apparently, so the story goes, which is probably crap, but they say that he was 5 years old when he wrote that. Da 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 da. 5 years old. So if you're 5 years old, you're not even in kindergarten yet, but maybe you can play the piano. And this has been your Ojibwe phrase, Ojibwe language lesson, I guess. I don't know. What? Nothing. Is this enough? Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. Thank you for watching. Miigwech. How do you say for watching? Gana wabi egg. Gana wabi egg. Miigwech gana wabi egg. Thank you for watching. Then how do you say thank you for listening? Miigwech bizendawi egg. Miigwech bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of Ojibwe for just a whatever. I know. Okay. I'll see you again. GOFUNDME. Minawa. Yeah, that's what I was talking about, dude.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah, 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 yeah. So that's the ABC song. All right. Now for the other song. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down and you won't miss a step. You won't be around and you'll never forget it. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day when I'm old and I'm gray, I could look back and say, this was the price I paid. Na, na, na. Now so it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountain scape. And I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes, someday, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with.
I'm begging you to stay, 'cause I'm gonna miss your love. Please don't go. Oh, really? Why? Because I'm gonna miss your love. The minute you walk out that door. But I gotta go to work, honey. No, I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Hey, everybody.
Hey.
Won't you consider becoming a patron? Patron?
No, that's not right.
Patron.
Yeah.
I can't even say it. Please become a patron saint and support BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language
I know, huh?
and culture.
Wow. La-dee-da. Hey, dude, what year does someone become an elder? That's a good question. What do you think, sweetie? How old you got to be an elder?
Well, there's kind of two schools of thought.
Okay.
One, you're an elder anytime you're older than somebody. Like when we say respect your elders. I tell kids, a 7-year-old needs to respect a 10-year-old because he's their elder.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Elder is anybody who's older than somebody else. But like an elder, not just an adult, but an elder.
Well, my auntie once told me you become an elder when you become a grandma.
Oh, when you become a grandma?
Yep, or a grandpa.
You have to become a grandma or a grandpa. So every grandma and grandpa are elders?
Yep, they're all elders. You know, because it's special. It's a certain quality you become when you become a grandparent.
That's true, huh?
Yeah. And then I think it's right after you kill a buffalo.
Shut up.
No, I don't know.
She says it's right after you kill a buffalo. That's when you become a man. When does a woman become a woman?
Well, you know, it's when she has her first moon.
Oh, right. In the academic way, we call it entering puberty. So girls become women at 13?
Yep. When do boys become men?
Much later. You know, some of us, you know, I think I became a man sometime in my 40s. I mean, we can become fathers decades before we become men. You know, some guys become men when they become fathers just right off the bat. It does seem like all women become adults when they become moms. You know, most women become kind of mature after they have kids, even if they might just be 16 years old. But a dude can have a baby when he's 35 and still be acting like a teenager.
Yeah. So what makes a man a man?
What makes a man a man? Fellas, you don't become a man until you've mastered a musical instrument.
Really?
No. That would be my rule, though.
You just say that because you learned guitar.
Yeah. What do you think, Michael? What's that? What age? How does a man become? When does a boy become a man? I think he has to go through some rites of passage, and they're very different. Rites of passage? What's that? You know, going through some sort of trial. He's got to overcome a fear. He's got to get into a fight. A boy becomes a man as soon as... A boy isn't a man until he's been in a fight, punched somebody and taken a punch. Okay, you got to punch somebody, taken a punch, been dumped, had your heart broken, been dumped by a woman, yep, and got drunk. Those are my rites of passage. And then you became a man. Yep. That's hardcore. Yeah, back in the days of the grandfathers, we used to have ceremonies that would welcome a boy into manhood. You'd take a boy out to go on his first hunt, or take him on a vision quest. Go out and fast, almost starve to death, have a vision. Come back to the village, a man. In the modern age, we're all being raised by our moms. Dads are nowhere to be seen. There's some dads who are even in the house and they got nothing to do with their kids. They're just watching TV, playing video games. They're still kids themselves. They're not trying to raise a man, they're playing video games. So nowadays, boy becomes a man, first time, he gets drunk.